All right, here's an overhand throwing activity I'm using with 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders. We call it Move the Pin. I've seen many variations of this on Twitter, but basically how I do it, I set the pin up on the large poly spot in the center, and we have it flanked by a regular 9-inch spot and then 2 stars. The object of the game is to get your pin, to knock it over by throwing the ball overhand and move it 1 space closer towards your opponent. Once it gets to the star, if you knock it over, you win the game. You'll challenge somebody new. So here's how we have it set up. We have, we're gonna play in partner pairs. So the blue partner will challenge at the blue lane against 2 other people down there. First person will take the koosh ball. I'm using a rubber band ball. They're gonna throw it at the pin. These are just foam pins in an attempt to knock it over. If they knock it down, you're going to move it from the pin that it's, or the spot that it started at, and move it 1 closer towards their opponent. Their opponent gets a turn to throw. If they knock it down, they move it back this direction. If they miss, then it's their opponent's turn. Let their partner throw. If they knock it over, it goes to the star. It is now their opponent's turn. They'll throw. If they make it, knock it over, they go, moves over 1. If they miss, it becomes their partner's turn. They throw it. If it gets knocked down when it's on the star, then the game is over. Those 2 players that won the game will wait for somebody else to win, and they will challenge the winners. The team that lost will find 2 players that lost a game, and they'll challenge each other. So they'll get a chance to play a bunch of different teams and maybe even a few rematches today. Let them pick their partners, and then they get to start at any lane. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 people on this side. We'll have 12 people on that side, and they'll just alternate taking turns at the targets here, throwing overhand. Called Move the Pin, and that's how I play.